Hello viewers, I am introducing the project of Dum Dum Heights. This project is situated at 6 by 2 Jesser Road, Kolkata 7,28,000 near Ordnance Factory, Central Jail Mall. The locational advantage of this place is excellent. This project is very well connected by road, rail and air. The airport is just 1 kilometer away from the project. The project is situated on the main road. The project comprises of 3 buildings, ground plus 5 stories. There are 75 apartments and there is ornate elevation as per the architect's design. The exterior walls have weather shield paint. The project also includes amenities like air-conditioned community hall, air-conditioned gym and multi-purpose games room. They are all ready. There are people who have already moved in and have started living here. Now let's move towards the entrance lobby. As we can see, the finishing of the project is excellent. It has been made very nicely with super grade material, and the flooring and fittings are very well made. Now let's see the lobby, which has very good natural lighting. There is full equipment for safety and for all firefighting precautions. They are completely set up. There is lift and now we saw the staircase. There are twin staircases here. There's one on this side and the other side. There are many more facilities like power backup. Here we can see the lift provision is there. For security guard also there is provision. There's CCTV camera. The intercom facility is available to the gate. Very large space is available for car parking, as we can see over here. There are 3 blocks in the project. Out of 3 blocks, we have handed over 2 blocks, Block A and Block B. About 5 or 6 years ago, Block C is newly constructed where people are already living. This is the parking area for Block C. Ample of space is there for 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler parking. It's covered space. This block has 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. Block C is newly constructed. As you can see in the other block, the people are already living there. The project has very good walling and flooring. Excellent for family living, for your dream house. I request all viewers to please come and visit this project. It will be the perfect house for your family. Anti-termite treatment has been done by a very reputed company in this project. We can see the flat details in some of the other links that we have uploaded for this block, Block C. There are 3 gates for entry and exit in this project. 2 gates are on the main road and 1 gate is on the other side. As we can see, the project has been done in very nice manner with the landscape. It's very spacious. Excellent comfortable living. Here we can see the power backup. That's the gym that we see, and the community hall is right besides it. They are conditioned. I invite people who are looking for the best property for spacious and comfortable living, to please come and see the project. This will be your dream apartment. So all viewers, please come and visit the project, as it will be the perfect home for your family to stay for many generations. The project is fully completed, so there is no need to wait for the project to be ready. Just have to pay and the actual flat will be delivered to you. Do visit the project. Thank you very much.